Hey everyone, it is time for a serving edition of our latest and greatest Tara's Must-Have. What's a Tara's Must-Have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. And can we talk about a 12-inch glass serving plate, serving platter? What's great about our glass, not only do you get the vibrancy and that beautiful decoration, but these go in the dishwasher as well. 12-inch serving plate with the server. Love this. Under $20 and in 3 of our super popular patterns. Our Patriotic, perfect for this time of year. Knotical, can't forget that, with all of our sea creatures, from our turtles and our crabs and of course our seahorse. And then you guessed it, we also included Boofetti. Why? Because it's the only order of the year. We knew you would absolutely love this piece. It coordinates back to all of the other glass pieces that we've been sharing with you. You're going to love it. It takes drab and makes it fabulous. And that's what we love about our glass. Head over to temp-tations.com, pick your pattern, and start enjoying.